Okay guys, today is very historical day. All you guys waiting for iOS 11 battery fix. The fix is here and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna uncover Apple's secret, man. So let's tap on settings, general, about. Here you can see iPhone 5s 11.2.2. Okay, after that I'm gonna show you how you can get more battery. You have to update iOS 11.2.2, the latest one, man. Okay, so after that just download battery HD. Yes, battery HD, this app. Okay, tap on this. I'm gonna show you from scratch. Okay, so here you got 98% battery. You have to click on settings, and after that you have to click on collaborate your device. 50% battery required for collaboration, so make sure you have enough battery. After that just click on start and this will take 90 to 120 minutes. Yes, and after that your all iOS 11 problems will be fixed and you don't have to pay Apple $29. So guys, have fun and keep subscribing my channel and make this viral as you can, as much as you can, as you will get the new iPhone X. I will pray for you. Okay.